and welcome. I'm Lauren O'Quinn with Trajectory on Location. Joining me today is Glen Dodson, Senior Vice President of Oracle National Security Group. Welcome, Glen.
Hi, Lauren.
How are you?
I'm doing great. Thanks for having us.
Great to have you. So AI, ML, and computer vision are advancing and automating the GEOINT mission, but they require a lot of high-performance compute in order to work at scale. With tight budgets, the government struggles to keep pace with the compute resources needed. So how is Oracle advancing capabilities to help the GEOINT community address today's challenges?
It's a big question. We're doing a lot of things. So let me see if I can give you kind of a real high level. First and foremost, artificial intelligence and machine learning, they do require a lot of compute, and new centers and sources are coming online all the time in the GEOINT space, and artificial intelligence machine learning becomes more and more important. So we decided to architect our next generation cloud with performance differentiators at literally every tier: bare metal, HPC, GPUs, storage, and ultra low latency, high bandwidth networks to really increase performance. And then the big thing that we've also done is at the data tier, we've put together a converged multimodal platform which handles any type of GEOINT data that you'll ever need to bring in, whether it's relational RDF or property graph, JSON, XML, NoSQL, doesn't matter. Geospatial vector imagery and video data as well can all be handled in this platform. The really unique magic comes in, we bring the artificial intelligence and machine learning algorithms right to that data tier. So it's no longer needed to take your data and move it to another portion of the cloud or architecture so you can manipulate it with AI and ML algorithms. It's all done right at the data tier. That's a game changer without a doubt for performance, scalability, and security. We've also have put together a very robust pricing model, and we decided we wanted to maintain commercial parity, which is somewhat difficult to do because it is more expensive to bring government clouds online because you need encryption, unique networks, a lot of assessment and accreditations that you have to go through. We decided to absorb that cost at Oracle and maintain commercial parity, and we've also removed egress fees. So if our customers need to move out of our cloud onto an on-premise environment or need to move data over to another CSP, they can do that without additional costs. And then the third thing is we are pioneers in the area of automation and autonomy, and we have autonomous operating systems and autonomous databases. These help reduce costs associated with system administrators and data administrators, and even more importantly, reducing the cost of human error. So those are a few things that we're doing in terms of innovation, architecture, technology, and pricing to help our GEOINT customers.
Well, those are some game-changing innovations. Now, the ability to deliver GEOINT technologies and capabilities to warfighters in theater has also been a challenge. What is Oracle Cloud doing to support disadvantaged and disconnected users at the edge?
So I love what we're doing, right? So I did a lot of support to military operations when I was younger, and I know what it's like to be in an austere environment. We basically, at a high level, we put together a portfolio of edge capabilities because we recognize that one size doesn't fit all, especially on the edge. The first deployment we offer is to basically build our core Oracle Cloud right in your data center. Cloud a customer can be built OCONUS at your headquarters at those locations. We also have a ruggedized container version, shipping container version with its own environmental controls and power that handles 30 roving edge devices all clustered together so you can have that in theater. We have another version which is just a roving edge device itself, which is a simple 19-inch compute and storage device that sits in a ruggedized container. And then we have the Ultra Red, which is about the size of a candy box that can be used right in the back of a man pack or backpack. So whether you're shipborne or whether you're airborne or whether you're with a Humvee or whether you're out in the mud, we have that kind of compute. And it's a well-balanced portfolio of compute, storage, GPUs, and even AI and ML algorithms exist across that portfolio. And we've also maintained a consistent user interface, no matter if you're operating off the clouds here in the continental United States or operating out in the field. So that's a few things that we're doing in terms of cloud computing at the edge.
Wow, fascinating things happening at Oracle. Glen, thank you so much for stopping by. We really appreciate all this great info.
Lauren, thanks for having me.
Thank you.
All right, take care.